Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this webinar platform, which is WebinarGeek. So to get started with a quick in-depth review and the drawback together with the downside about this platform. WebinarGeek is one of the top choice for hosting webinar in 2025, especially for marketers, coaches, and educators. It runs in your browser, no downloads needed, and lets you host live, automated, or pre-recorded section. You can add polls, quiz, and call to action to keep viewers engaged, and it works well on phones and desktop. It also offers powerful tools like custom branding, email reminder, and details viewer start. Plus, it integrates with popular tools like MailChimp, Zipper, and HubSpot. What sets WebinarGeek apart is its simplicity, strong privacy feature, and focus on lead generation. You can get marketing tools like custom sign-up page and automated email built in, so you don't need extra software. While it doesn't have the big production features of Zoom, it's better fit if you want an easy, secure, and interactive platform to grow your audience or teach online. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.